Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of healthy breakfast recipes that can help you on your weight loss journey. Breakfast is such an important meal, and it's the perfect opportunity to fuel your body with nutritious ingredients that keep you energized throughout the day. Let's start with a vibrant smoothie bowl. Blend together a banana, a handful of spinach, and a cup of almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top it with your favorite fruits, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a handful of granola. This colorful dish is not only visually appealing, but also packed with vitamins and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next up, we have overnight oats. Simply combine rolled oats, Greek yogurt, and your choice of milk in a jar. Add a drizzle of honey and some fresh berries for sweetness. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll wake up to a creamy, nutritious breakfast that's ready to go. It's a great way to kickstart your metabolism and keep those hunger pangs at bay. If you're in the mood for something warm, try a veggie-packed omelette. Whisk together a couple of eggs and pour them into a heated skillet. Add in diced tomatoes, spinach, and bell peppers. Cook until the eggs are set, and enjoy a protein-rich meal that's bursting with flavor. This dish is not only satisfying, but also supports muscle health, which is essential for weight loss. Lastly, let's not forget about avocado toast. Mash half an avocado on whole grain bread, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. For an extra boost, top it with a poached egg. This combination is not only delicious, but also provides healthy fats and fiber, making it a perfect start to your day. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these healthy breakfast recipes inspire you to create meals that nourish your body and support your weight loss goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Remember, every small step counts on your journey to a healthier you. See you next time.